Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a right-click context menu option to change modes from light to dark and vice versa for Windows and also for apps. So normally you could go to the Windows settings here and choose light, dark, or custom. But we're going to show you an easy way to do that via the right-click context menu if that's something that you change on a regular basis. All right, so to do so, we have a couple registry files here. One to add the right-click context menu option, and then one to remove it. All right, so here's what each of them does. Here's the one to add it. And then here's the one to remove it. Pretty simple for the removal. All right, so to begin, I'm going to double-click the Add Choose Mode registry file. Click on Run. Say yes to the UAC prompt, so you'll need to be an administrator to do this. Say yes to adding it to the registry, and then OK. All right, so now when I right-click and show more options, or just hold down Shift, choose light or dark mode, so for apps and Windows, or just for apps or just for Windows. So if I want just my apps to be dark, for example, because right now everything's set to light, I can choose that. You can see it does a little Explorer restart. Now you can see Notepad is now dark. I clicked on File Explorer, for example. That's dark as well. All right, so now if I want to change it to something else, let's say we'll turn the app mode back to light. And now we'll change the window mode to dark. All right, so you can see now that Windows mode is dark, but the apps are still light. And then, of course, we could do one more time here. Change both of them to dark, like so. And then if you change your mind and you don't want that right-click option any longer, you could just come back and double-click the Remove Choose Mode registry file and do the same process. Now when we right-click, the option is no longer there. And then, of course, you'll have to go back to the Windows settings to change your light or dark options back the way you want them, unless, of course, you change them back before you run this registry file here. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you can download both of these registry files and you can try it out yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.